and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh and these are the top 9 news from the world of science and technology.
OnePlus has finally confirmed the launch of its first smartwatch for early next year. The information was confirmed by the company's CEO, Pete Lau, who revealed that OnePlus plans to launch its first smartwatch soon. Rumor suggests that OnePlus Watch could come with a round face and a Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC, which would represent a major upgrade on the Snapdragon 2100 or 3100 in terms of performance and efficiency. Latest reports suggest that Apple has a new Apple TV coming in 2021 with an upgraded remote. Apple TV Remote will be integrated with the Find My application. This would allow users to locate the remote if it goes missing, similar to when trying to track down a lost iPhone or iPad. Apple is planning an upgraded box with a stronger gaming focus, an updated remote, and a new processor. Samsung has announced a new device called AirDresser that uses air and steam to remove dust, pollutants and germs and refreshes and sanitizes clothes with an aim to provide easy and convenient garment care. As per the company, AirDresser sanitizes clothes and eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including influenza, adenovirus and the herpes virus, and can sanitize pretty much any kind of cloth including bedding and leather accessories. TechnoSpark 6 Go has been launched in India as a new budget smartphone. The phone is claimed to deliver up to 40 days of standby time or 54 hours of talk time on a single charge. The phone has been priced at 8,699 rupees for the single 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant. As per reports, iQOO 7 is scheduled to launch in January. The phone reportedly features a triple rear camera setup. Reports also suggest that the company will also launch 3 to 4 new smartphones powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 SoC. Niti Aayog has launched a DigiBox, an Indian data storage and management platform. It would be an indigenous digital asset management and storage platform which would be available with affordable pricing for individual users and has different plans for enterprise users as well. According to a new dark web research compiled by Flashpoint, the price of stolen credit card details and cybercrime tools has seen triple-digit growth over the past 2 years. The risk intelligence firm trawled some of the more established cybercrime marketplaces across the deep and dark web across 8 categories, from government-issued IDs to DDoS for hire services, exploit kits, RDP server access. While reacting to Reuters' recent news that Apple has not abandoned its electric car program, Musk tweeted that in the darkest days of scaling Model 3 production, he reached out to Apple CEO Tim Cook and raised the possibility of Apple acquiring Tesla. However, according to Musk, Cook refused to take the meeting. Toyota's e-Palette is soon going to be a largely transparent, driverless oblong carriage on wheels that's powered by a battery. It can accommodate up to 20 passengers with seats that fold up and allow the space to be repurposed. The company says it can double as a mobile store or roving office. Facebook has found support from Google, Microsoft and other tech giants in its fight against an Israeli company for installing malware on the phones of unsuspecting users.
So these were our top 9 news from the world of science and technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.